Okay, so we're back. Got another trade. Not been quite busy past few days. Not managed to get many kind of videos and out and backtesting done, but we're back for a week. Then we're away for a week, but put the work in now. Get into this trade. So I'm shorting. So what we've done is, I'm kind of thinking bigger picture. We're going to trade up into this premium here and take out this high. But previous day we closed, well, we swept that previous day high and then closed lower than that high. If that makes sense. It was suggesting kind of bearish, a bearish narrative. And then we've today opened, rallied up above the previous day high, filled this fair value gap, which is all sitting in this order block here, this bearish order block. So I'm kind of thinking now we're gonna end up reversing at some point. I think with the previous day closing the way it did, that kind of should confirm that. 4 hour, not a lot. We're in this 4 hour gap. We swept out this high, equal highs here. We swept. I'm expecting price to react off of that. Hourly, again, not low scarf again, just equal highs taken here. This is previous day high. We are in this fair value gap, so it's above these highs. But obviously there's only 50 minutes. If I'm right, we should close within this fair value gap again. If I'm wrong, looks like we're going to reset this high. On the 15, we've been trending up, and then we create this low. We swept that, rallied up again, and then took out these equal highs here, as well as this, as previously mentioned. Taking out this previous high. I was looking on the 5 minute for entry, maybe some point around here. Couldn't find one. Price has rallied since taking out those highs. I think anyone going short here has been stopped out, so now price might be looking to reverse. And I think we're going to be trending at least into a discount of this range before we're going to rally above those highs, if we even do. I could see us going lower if I am correct. Our entries are already off the 1 minute. I think obviously got this high here. We've traded up. We're going to change the state delivery here. We traded back into this. I am expecting price kind of come pretty back up into here a little bit, but then I should see hopefully price come down. I mean, it's really off of this yet. Change state delivery, shifting market structure, retracement back in, fill the order block, expecting price to react bearish. So see how we get on. Nice initial reaction. Oh, I should probably mention actually this is a 1 to 1.67, and just with my way my stop losses worked, I'm going this high here, and then my drawn liquidity is probably a discount of this range here, and also really this order block. So I mean, it's a really good start. I don't know whether to start trailing. If he swept out that low, I might just trail to these highs, because I think we should retrace into this order block and shouldn't go much lower if we are much higher if we are going to go into that region. That's break even now, I think. Could still trade up into this order block. We've created this one here, which is probably in the premium, so looks alright. Why is it not fighting? Okay, take profit hit there, which is good. I think a good trade. I think the entry was really nice in the sense that we got to change the state delivery, having swept out these equal highs. Pretty textbook. I mean, it's only a 1 to 1.67 R, which isn't crazy, but hey, I mean, like, it doesn't need to be crazy. It just needs to be. It needs to make sense in my head. So, I mean, that was all over and done with pretty quick. How much lower did we choose to go? Because obviously there's that 5 minute order block that I think is possible we've drawn into. Let's see. We have shown a lot of rejection around this area. You see, it's pretty much literally perfectly held this order block around that discount. So potentially higher time frame. We'll see. I don't know if we're right or wrong. I mean, it's hard to call. It's kind of just consolidating on a higher time frame. There's not a lot going on really, but we caught the move we wanted. We've got the sweep, broke down, entered. I mean, we could have gone obviously much further, but I'm very happy with the way our trade has panned out. I don't need, it's hard to know like where price is actually going to trade into, so I'm just going to stick with what I know. I think trading to a discount is a safe bet, especially when there's an order block around there and things like that. So I'm pretty happy with the way that's panned out. Oh, itchy throat. So yeah, we went and took out that high eventually. So maybe my higher time frame bias was wrong. I don't know. That was a news candle. So I don't know, it wasn't. It's not even been interesting. So what was that? It's just a crazy boring. Okay, well, I'm not going to be too unhappy with that. I think obviously my daily bias is wrong, which is frustrating because I'd rather be right about this sort of thing but lose the trade than get it wrong, get it right. Get it wrong and win the trade, because it's just kind of fortune. But I still think our lower time frame analysis is fine. I think our 1 hour, 4 hour is also fine, and it just gave us the retracement that we caught, which is fine. I mean, I thought we'd retrace back into here. We did. That's the move I caught. Bit annoying that obviously the rest of the day it's panned out the way it has, but still a good trade nonetheless, and I'm not going to whinge you about that. But yeah, any thoughts, let me know. Otherwise I'll catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.